What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ParrishTG. Now I'm back with another video. Today I'm about to go take my tire stickers off. These bad tire stickers, I'm about to go take them off my tires because I'm about to get some new tires. I was gonna get all 4 new tires, but now I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and get just the 2 back tires, the ones I really need, because my front tires, they still look kind of brand new. So I'm not about to spend no money on some brand new tires, and my tires still look kind of brand new. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the back tires if I can take off these tire stickers. So I'm about to go take a wrench.
Stupid.
I'm still sleepy. I'm about to go take some pliers and I'm about to try to just yank them off. I'm about to put on some goo gone. Hopefully it don't mess up my tires in the front. I don't care if it messes up my tires in the back, but I'm just gonna put some goo gone on it, see if that'll help, and I'm just gonna start yanking them off. So I'm gonna let y'all see that. And that's a TRX outside. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull these tire stickers off so I can put my new ones on the front tire and then go get the, actually, no. I'm gonna take all the tire stickers off. I'm gonna take all the tire stickers off. And then I'm gonna go to the shop, get some back tires, come back, and then put on my tire stickers. And man, my lips look kind of greasy, man. I put on too much chapstick, didn't I? Dang. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and go take these tire stickers off, and then I'm gonna go see if I can find some tires, cause it's a Mr. Tire somewhere around here, but I just don't know exactly where it is. So I'm gonna just obviously put it in my map. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit, man. Man, all right. So it's hot out here, bro. I'm about to be sweating like a mug, bro. It's. I thought I had a little bit of shade. I don't. I'm gonna start with the front tires first, though, because obviously the back tires don't really matter since I'm gonna take them off anyway. But this is how they look right now. Bad. They look bad. And my tires, my wheels do too, so don't mind it. But the front, well, the front ain't as bad as the back. Like, where is it? Look at it. That don't even look like an E no more, bro. It's an LF. It don't even look like an E, bro. But I'm about to go ahead and get this started, though. Alright, so I got the top ones already done. I already got a set done. I ain't gonna lie, it took like not even a minute or two to take them off. I don't know if it's because of the goo gone, or I don't know if they was just that easy to peel off with the pliers. But I shouldn't be out here long. I thought I was gonna be out here sweating. Well, I'm about sweating already, but it's still hot. But it shouldn't be that hard to take off. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all 4 sets. So I was originally just gonna take off the front and leave the back on and go get them my wheels taken off. But what if they ain't got no wheels? And then I'm just looking stupid with back tires with tire stickers on and ain't got none on the front. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take them all off. It should take me about, I don't know, 20 minutes, maybe. Cause I be procrastinating. I be getting sidetracked. I be on my phone. But I'm gonna see y'all when I head over to the tire shop, whenever that is. All right, y'all, I'm done. It's hot. It took me a little bit longer than 20 minutes. It took me like 30 because like I said, I be procrastinating. But I don't like it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it, bro. I hate the way this look without tire stickers, bro. It is killing me right now. Look at this. It's killing me, bro. I don't like it. But luckily for me, I already but I already ordered my other tire stickers like 2 weeks ago. The high speed society ones. I mean, you can't really tell right now because they in the pack, but you can see the high red H. But yeah, I already got them on standby. So standby. Once I'm gonna make a call before I even drive all the way down to a tire shop. I'm gonna go make a call and see if they got any 315s for me, because a lot of shops don't have. A lot of shops don't be having 315 in stock. They have to order them. So if that's the case, if they gotta order them, I'm not even gonna put my tire stickers on until I get the back tires. So hopefully, man, I just spit. But hopefully they got some tires in stock somewhere, so I can go get some, so I can put on these tire stickers before I go to this car meet tonight. And cause honestly, bro, I hate the way that look. I hate it, bro. This ain't it, cuz. Ain't it. Alright, so I'm back, and literally nobody, and I mean nobody got 315 3520 in stock. They said it's a special order. I'm like, bruh, but I mean, on the bright side, they said it'll take like a day or two to get there. But like, I done took my tire stickers off, man. Now I gotta ride around with no tire stickers for like a day or two. I'm looking sick. But I mean, I guess. So I'm about to go over to a National Tire and Battery, whatever, try to order something, see what they got. But it's disappointing, man. But I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I kinda already knew. Dang, it's dark. Hold on. I kinda already knew that they wouldn't have any in stock, because no store that I go to, like no store that I've been to, got them in stock. They all had a special order of 315, and so I kind of knew it. But I'm about to go ahead and head over there right now. My battery on my GoPro is dying, but I'm gonna try to get some more footage when I get over there. Hopefully my GoPro ain't dead. I ain't come prepared, but I think I got my charger. I have a charger. All right, so now we got good news. I went down to National Tire and Battery. I'm here now. He said they ain't got none in stock and they ain't got them in the warehouse. But the good thing is I can go get some today, right now. But I gotta drive. Let me see. It's a 30-minute drive, bro. He talking about it's 10 miles. It's just, the thing say, bro, I got a 32-minute drive, and bro, I got 85 miles. I think I make it. We gonna see. We gonna take this trip. I think I make it, but I can get my tires today. Excuse me. I can get my tires today. I can go get my tires today and go get them put on. That's a good thing. That means, hold on, NLE. That means I can go put my tire stickers on today too. It's a good day. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back doing all this stuff. Yeah. We rolling? All right, so update. I got some new tires yesterday. I didn't record later on because we didn't end up going to the car meet, but I like the tire stickers. Hey, it looks so much better with the tire stickers. But I got a Michelin Pilot Sport something tires in the back. I still got my 315 3520, but man, hey, look, tire stickers look so much better. See, you know what I'm saying? Got the High Speed Society. Come on now. She thick back there now. That thing about to be gripping and hugging. So yeah. We back. See, I got my lights back working. Tire stickers. And I'm low. So pretty much I got cosmetically I'm done for now, I guess. I got my coilovers, I got my lights back working, and I got my tire stickers back on, and I got new tires in the back. So I should be good for now. So next step, who knows? Just keep watching and see, because I don't even know myself. Besides, I'm gonna take it to the shop and do something. But after that, who knows? But all right, y'all, quick update. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Oh my God, y'all ain't gonna believe this. Watch. After I put my tire stickers on, I put my tire stickers on at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I put my tire stickers on at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I went to go get something to eat like 4-ish, something like that. And pretty much I got caught in a thunderstorm on the highway on the way back home, and my tire stickers was not finished, like setting in, I guess you could say, and they wasn't too happy with the rain or the wind or the dirt. So I come back out the next day, and what's a Higgs speed, bro? And then half of my S is missing. But man, bro, this a Higgs speed, bro. Higgs speed society. What is that? That ain't it, bro. Hold on, that's not even it. I'm missing the whole C, man. Bro, I don't know why I got so much bad luck sometimes, and bro, I just wanted to show y'all that little update before I end the video. But if you're gonna get tire stickers, make sure it's not gonna rain that day. Even though it was perfectly sunny at 2 o'clock. And yeah, just make sure it ain't gonna rain that day, because that's gonna happen to your tires. You gonna be left missing tire stickers. But I did order the replacement tire stickers though, so that's fine. They gonna be on the way. I don't know how long it's gonna take them to get here. Normally it's like a week. It took me like a week to get these, but since it's a replacement tire sticker, it should be quicker. But I don't know. But it said 2 days, but that'd be capping. But yeah, as of now, I'm riding around with Hig Speed Society, and on the other tire, High Speed Society. It's a sad day for me. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video though. I had to update y'all on what the tire stickers look like and how the tires are doing, whatever. I don't know, but yeah.